Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter in a Mazda CX-5. This simple maintenance task is crucial for maintaining good air quality inside your car. A clean filter helps your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system work efficiently, preventing odors and strain on components. You can easily do this yourself, saving a significant amount of money compared to professional service. First, open your passenger side glove box and clear out any items inside. Next, locate the small dampener arm on the right side of the glove box and carefully unhook it. Then, gently push in on both sides of the glove box to release the plastic stops, allowing it to swing down further. This will give you full access to the filter housing behind it. Once the glove box is lowered, you will see the rectangular cabin air filter housing. There's usually a small tab or clip. Gently lift it to open the cover. Before removing the old filter, observe the airflow arrow printed on its frame. This is important for correct installation. Carefully slide out the old filter, then insert your new one, making sure its airflow arrow points downward, matching the direction of the old filter. Push it in until it clicks securely. After the new filter is in place, close the filter housing cover, ensuring it's securely clipped. Next, lift the glove box back into position, pushing the sides inward to re-engage the stops. Reattach the dampener arm on the right side. Finally, close the glove box completely. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.